Okay, so I'm gonna do a little thing, start a new category, new series called What Makes This Piece of Music Cool. So for my first one, I'm gonna do Goodbye Yellow Brick Road by Elton John. And the two things I think that are quite cool about this piece is the spot where it goes, "You can't hold me forever." You know you can't hold me forever. It starts on the and, ends on the and. So it's the and after 4, and then it ends on the and after 1, which gives it like a real bounce. So it propels the music forward. When you start on the beat and you end on the beat, I think it kind of has a different feel, but the offbeats are a real fun way to write music. So I think that's a really great spot. And the other one, of course, is the blues part, you know, it's kind of euphoric, so that part is super cool. And from a music theory kind of perspective, we're in the key of F major, and D flat's the root of that chord there, and that's not diatonic to the key, so it's a non-diatonic root, and the chord is major. So whenever you do that kind of thing in music theory, when you're writing tunes, you go up by a major third. So F to A major to D flat major back to F major. It sounds like you're planet hopping. It really gives it this like, I'm changing worlds, I'm changing moods. So I think that those two things are, from like a music theory perspective, really cool insights as to why. I mean, there's a million reasons why Elton John is just a master. But yeah, Goodbye Yellow Brick Road is a great piece. All right, thanks for listening.